So, hey students, today we will see how to upload files via Google Drive. First, you go to Drive like that. Uh, Go there and just click the new button here. Okay, just let's say we are creating one folder here and keep the folder name as Frontal Web Development. Create it. Okay. See, this was created. Just go there and then you can do one thing. Just click file upload and then select your files there. Okay, just I'm selecting index.html, script.json, style.css like that. You just open it here. Okay, and after that and just click here and share option will be coming. So press here, share, and then just put my mail. Okay, NISHNDANN at gmail.com, something like that. And so this one, like that, give viewer access and press send. Okay, thank you.